everyone, so today I'm going to be sharing with you a Graze unboxing. I've done a couple of these in the past, and I just got this in I think yesterday, and I really want to start eating the snacks because I'm kind of excited about this one. So yeah, let's just go ahead and share with you. So this is the box that you'll get, and this is the 8 snack box, kind of what the inside looks like. So on the top row, I'm just going to pull them out, is Thai style sweet chili with honey chili peanuts, lemon and black pepper, fava beans, garlic sesame sticks, and edamame beans. That's kind of what it looks like. Hopefully you guys can see that. I'm using my phone right now, so I'm testing it out, seeing how this works. The next one is peach cobbler. So this has peach fruit drops, almonds, yogurt seeds, and amaretti drops. Interesting. So yeah. The back of it's not very appealing looking because it's mostly crumbs, but the front looks good. Next one in here is protein peanut butter with pretzel sticks. This is a dipper one, so this side must be the peanut butter and this is the pretzel sticks. So kind of ordinary, but I did really like the, was it Snickerdoodle one that I got last time? That was really good. So I'm looking forward to this one, even though it's just peanut butter and pretzels. And then I also have in here the Antioxidant Vit.E Nuts. This is weird. Brazil nuts, almonds, pecans, and baked salted peanuts. So just an assortment of nuts. Okay. So that's what that is. Alright, so now let's go into the bottom layer. Cookies and cream. This has white chocolate buttons, sunflower seeds, mini cocoa cookies, and cocoa fudge. That's what that looks like. Looks kind of yummy, right? I think so. This is the jalapeno cheese taco. I think this is the one that I didn't get to try in my last box. So yeah, so we'll be trying this one out. This has cheese flavored cashews, which aren't my favorite, jalapeno chickpeas, and chill broad beans, or chili, I'm not really sure, but so that's what that one looks like. Show the back of that one. The last time I got 2 squares and they were pretty good. One of them I liked better than the other. So this is the maple oat squares with Superfood Maca, M-A-C-A. It has 2 rolled oat squares baked with maple syrup and maca, whatever that word is. There we go, I got 2 of those in there. And lastly is the sweet Memphis Barbecue. Interesting. Barbecue peas, salsa peanuts, and wild rice sticks. Not sure how I'll feel about that one, but we are definitely going to be giving it a try. Is everything in my Graze box this month. I hope you guys enjoyed watching. Let me know if you guys have tried any of these snacks out and which one might be your favorites. Also, if you have any recommendations. Yeah, so I will leave an update of what I thought about these snacks in the description box below, and if you guys are interested in this subscription, I'll also leave that below, and I believe I have a code for a free tasting box, which I believe is like 4 of the snacks or something, so you don't have to pay shipping or anything for that, just to try it out if you guys are interested. Alright, well, I will see you guys next time. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more. Bye!